Hello! In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up and run a detailed HVAC simulation and review the simulation results. Here I have a dedicated outdoor air system with demand-controlled ventilation and fan coil unit HVAC system template loaded to all the zones in the model.
You can access the full tutorial from Designbuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on Designbuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate Designbuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.